Hey parents and future parents! Quick question. Do you think you're helping your kids by solving all their problems? Spoiler alert. You might actually be setting them up for failure. Stick around because today we're diving into why doing less for your kids could be the secret sauce to raising independent, confident, and resilient humans. And trust me, there's science to back it up. Parental instincts often scream, but what if I told you overprotecting them is sabotaging their self-esteem? A major Harvard study found that self-esteem isn't built by shielding kids from challenges. It's built through responsibilities, like chores or jobs. The next time you're tempted to swoop in and save the day, take a deep breath and hand them the broom instead. Let's talk about not the spy kind, but the ability to make decisions and take control of your life. A 70-year Harvard study shows that kids who take on responsibilities early, like small jobs or chores, grow up to be more confident adults. Parents often hinder this by stepping in too much. Ever heard of a lawnmower parent? They mow down every obstacle in their child's way. It feels helpful in the moment, but it's actually stunting their growth. Fun fact about me. I've been working since I was 14. Everything from flipping burgers to babysitting. Those jobs taught me problem solving, resilience, and the importance of showing up on time. But let's be real. Watching your kids struggle isn't easy. Your ego gets tangled up in their success. That's why parenting requires a long-term vision. It's not about protecting them today. It's about preparing them for tomorrow. Here's the tough truth. Raising strong, independent kids means letting them be uncomfortable. That doesn't mean abandoning them. It means guiding them to figure things out on their own. One way to strengthen your bond and build trust is through spend 10 to 15 minutes with your child, distraction-free. No questions, no commands. Just hang out on their level. This strengthens your bond and builds trust, making it easier to guide them through challenges. So, what's the secret to raising confident, resilient kids? Let them fail, let them work, let them grow. It's like that classic saying, give a kid a fish, they eat for a day, teach them to fish, and they'll probably start a YouTube channel about fishing. Parenting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. What kind of parent do you want to be, and what kind of adult do you want your child to become? If this video gave you an aha moment, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share this with another parent, and subscribe for more parenting tips and stories. Until next time, keep raising amazing humans.